If you're planning a road trip and you have kids, I'm gonna show you a very easy way so that you can put the tablet of your kids on the back seat of the car. So this way they can watch it and without disturbing you. So I'm gonna show you how they can put it here with an easy way and a very cost-effective way using this simple trick. So all you need is Ziploc bags. So make sure to get good quality Ziploc bags, and then I'm gonna show you how to install them. So you see here that I got these zipper seal bags because the Ziplocs had like access on them, so you cannot see the iPad very good on it. So make sure to get bags of a good quality and big enough to support the iPad or any tablet. So these are 26.6 centimeters times 27.9 centimeters, and they are perfect for the iPad that I have. So take one of the bags, and of course the bag has writing on it. We're not gonna put it, of course, on the writing side. We need to put it like this, and the bag will go like this. So we need to put holes here, and we need to put it in the poles of the headrest. And why we're gonna put it like this? Because this way you can open it from here and then slide the iPad or the tablet in it and remove it without removing the bag. So we're gonna put the iPad like this, and notice how I put the iPad in the bag, and we need to make holes here. So make sure that when you make the holes, don't cut them very much so that they don't get torn up like with the weight of the tablet. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So first we need to remove the headrest completely. So remove your headrest depending on the headrest you have. So this one slides up like this. And then you need a pair of scissors, and we're gonna put the bag here. So make sure that horizontally it is well aligned, and take your scissors and make a small hole here, not a very big hole, and on the same level make another hole here. So now take back your headrest, and you need to put it and the holes that we just made. So this is one here, and this is the other one here. And now take it like this, and you need to put it back in its place. So now it should slide in easily. So slide it all the way down like that. So let me turn on the iPad so that you see it. And the good thing about it is that with this bag, you can still go into the iPad. So this is the iPad. If you open YouTube, you can open it. You can also here, for instance, raise the volume and lower the volume. And the most important thing after you put the iPad in is to close the zipper bag. So this way the iPad will not fall down. So close it like this. And now your kids can rest and just watch the iPad while you're driving in peace. Let me show you, before I end the video, how to remove the iPad. So as I told you before, it's very simple. Instead of removing the bag each time, because you put the iPad this way, so we put the bag horizontally, you'll just have to open it and remove it and keep the bag here. And you can re-put it whenever you want to. And always make sure that the bag is closed. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this idea and if you're gonna apply it to your car. At the end, I wanna thank my son who gave me this brilliant idea and is filming me now. I wanna thank you all for watching. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.